Looking for a budget-friendly OBD-II scanner? You might have seen the Motopower OBD-II promising to decode your car's engine problems with ease, and at a wallet-friendly price of just $15.97. But here's what surprised me. It's not as perfect as it seems. Despite its solid 4.6-star rating on Amazon, there are some serious limitations that could leave you frustrated more than helped. So if you're thinking about grabbing the Motopower OBD-II, hold on, because I'm about to reveal what Amazon reviews might not tell you, and why this device may not be the one-stop solution you expected. Don't buy just yet. You need the full story. Let's jump right into it. What exactly is the Motopower OBD-II? This little gadget boasts multi-functions including reading and erasing check engine codes, viewing freeze frame data, real-time data flow, and even a built-in database of diagnostic trouble codes to help you understand what's going wrong under the hood. It supports 9 protocols, meaning it works with almost any 1996 and newer vehicles across US, EU, and Asian markets. Sounds pretty impressive, right? But here's the catch. While it covers your basic check engine light diagnostics, it completely skips over crucial systems like ABS and airbag codes. So if you're worried about your car's safety components or those nagging service lights for oil or maintenance, this scanner won't help. It's like buying a Swiss Army knife that only has a knife and no other tools. Helpful but limited. If you're a casual driver, just wanting to read and reset your engine light without paying for an expensive professional scanner, the Motopower OBD-II seems ideal. However, if you're a DIY mechanic, a technician, or someone who cares about getting detailed diagnostics from multiple vehicle systems, this gadget won't cut it. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty. The Motopower OBD-II comes with a 2.8-inch backlit LCD screen that is pretty clear and easy to navigate. The physical buttons let you scroll through menus and codes, making it straightforward to operate even if you've never used a code reader before. It's powered right through your car's OBD-II port, so no batteries or charging necessary. A nice convenience indeed. But here's where things start to get interesting. The cable length is 2.5 feet, which, while flexible and robust, might feel a bit restrictive depending on where your OBD-II port is in your car. I once tried using a scanner with a short cable, and it felt like trying to play tetherball with a slingshot, awkward at best. One feature I genuinely liked was the built-in screen protective film, which you can peel off if it gets scratched. Small touches like this show Motopower cares about durability. Plus, if you encounter any screen issues, their customer service promises direct replacements, which is commendable given the price point. Speaking of customer experience, the scanner includes clear connection instructions. Plug it into your car's OBD-II port, turn ignition on, press OK, and you're connected. To see real-time live data, you start your engine. Simple enough, right? Well, yes and no. Some users reported occasional connection failures, and when that happens, it seems you have to rely on Motopower's customer support. From my research, their support is responsive, but the need for help due to connection glitches can be annoying, especially when you're in a hurry trying to troubleshoot your car. So far, I haven't mentioned the real source of the negative buzz: the Motopower OBD-II's inability to handle ABS, airbag, and oil service lights. Let me explain why this matters. Imagine you clear the check engine light with this scanner, but the ABS warning light stays on, or worse, your airbag system is showing faults. These systems are vital for your safety and emissions compliance. Without diagnosing these alerts, you're essentially flying blind. As much as its built-in code library helps newbies understand engine codes, the lack of multi-system diagnostics limits its usefulness. Wouldn't you want to know all warning lights from your car rather than just the engines? This is where more advanced scanners cost more but deliver more. Quick joke break. Why did the car go to therapy? Because it had too many unresolved issues. Well, Motopower will help you find some, but it won't solve them all. Considering its price of just under $16, you might wonder if you can find better options. Spoiler alert, you can. There are OBD-II scanners at a similar price point that offer at least limited ABS and airbag code reading. Now, that said, Motopower shines in ease of use and the clarity of its display. Another important note is language support. The device covers 6 languages including English, German, Dutch, Spanish, French, and Italian, making it accessible for a broad user base. It's a small but handy feature for non-English speakers. Let me share a quick story. A friend of mine bought the Motopower OBD-II for his old SUV. He could read engine codes easily and even erase them without a trip to the mechanic, saving him around $50. But one day his ABS light came on, and since the Motopower can't read ABS codes, he ended up having to spend on a professional scan anyway. So while the Motopower saved him pennies initially, in the long run it cost him extra hassle. Moral of the story: know what you want your scanner to do before buying. You might be asking now, is the Motopower OBD-II right for me? If you drive a modern car and want a no-frills basic code reader to quickly check and reset your engine light, it's a decent tool. But if you want a more comprehensive diagnostic solution that covers ABS, airbag, and service lights, this is not it. Here's another twist. This device somehow gets a high 4.6-star rating on Amazon, mostly because many users appreciate its simplicity and affordable price. The good reviews highlight how straightforward it is to use and the usefulness of the DTC lookup library. But the negative reviews point out those missing features and occasional connection issues. Many promise. Stay with me because I'm also going to recommend a few alternatives that might suit you better, especially if you want more bang for your buck. Before I get into solutions, one more joke for car lovers. Why don't cars play hide and seek? Because good luck hiding when your check engine light keeps flashing. All right, let's talk alternatives. If you want something a step up that still won't break the bank, look for an OBD-II scanner offering ABS and airbag code reading along with engine diagnostics. Brands like Blue Driver or Auto, although pricier, tend to support those systems and often come with mobile app connectivity for a sleeker experience. Still, if your only goal is to read basic OBD-II codes and clear the check engine light without fuss, Motopower's scanner is hard to beat on price. It's compact, easy to use, with a backlit screen that's better than fiddling around with a phone app in bright sunlight. Just don't expect it to replace a professional-grade scanner or a mechanic's diagnostic tool. If your vehicle often trips multiple warning lights, investing a little more might save you headaches. Final story for context. Another friend gifted this scanner to his teenage son learning car maintenance. It was perfect for teaching him how to read engine codes and understand what's happening under the hood without overwhelming him with data from other systems. So if you're a beginner, learning on a basic tool like Motopower is a good start. Plus, it supports multiple vehicle makes and models, even older cars from the late 90s, so it's flexible across various rides. One last joke to wrap up. Why did the OBD-II scanner break up with the car? Too many unresolved issues. But hey, with Motopower, at least you get to read some of those issues, even if not all. To summarize, the Motopower OBD-II scanner is a budget-friendly, easy-to-use device that shines at reading and clearing basic engine codes. It's perfect for casual drivers on a tight budget, beginners, or as a backup tool. However, it falls short by excluding critical system diagnostics like ABS and airbag codes, and has occasional connection hiccups. If you want a simple plug-and-play experience without buying a professional scanner, this will do the job. But if deeper diagnostics are what you crave, look elsewhere. Ready to grab the best price on Motopower OBD-II? Check the link in the description below where I've found the current deals. Whether you want a simple code reader or are exploring affordable scanners, this option deserves a look but with clearly set expectations. Thanks for watching. Remember, a little knowledge about your car can save you a lot of surprises down the road. Just make sure you have the right tool for the job. Catch you in the next video.